This is an interesting Chrysler. What do we have here? I don't see anything on the side. Well, this is interesting. That's a different nose than I typically see. Chrysler 300, okay. So it's got a 300 badge on the thing. Yeah, so it's just, that is an interesting, what year is that 300? That is interesting. That's beautiful taillights though. Needs some work, but beautiful taillights. I mean, it's rough, but it's clean, which is nice. Just typical older on the chrome and bumper issues. That's pretty typical. But it looks decent. So that's nice. Very nice. Oh, and there we go. So we got old Bel Air, beautiful blue with the silver paint scheme, and then we got the Foose black wheels with a little bit of chrome trim around them. Then a little bit of tint on the windows too. That actually really does bring it together with a little bit of tint on it. That is pretty. Some typical surface issues with the chrome, but oh good night. Yeah, look at that matte black underneath the hood too. That is, wow, that looks good. Interior looks decent as well. That is a pretty looking car. Wow. Rear bumper is much better than the front. Nice. That is a very pretty looking car. Cool, cool, cool. And we've got the tractor show, or tractor group at least, here once again. And I've got some beautiful old Internationals and farmall equipment to look at, which is really cool. Also got an old case right over there in orange, which is pretty good. I love seeing the old farm equipment, really, really cool. Oh, there's some nice looking tractors. Got another one, looks like they're probably going to work on. But yeah, but look at that, that is the old fender. That is the fender that came stock. Yeah. That is the extra add-on afterwards. So that's all you get covered. So all that dirt is flipping right up on you. It's not flopping from beside, but that's cool. So aftermarket, usual market. That's neat. We've got an old Ford tractor up here in the gray and red. Ooh, and got some old yellow and white. Case IH is over here.
Your brother's not going to be here till 11:30.
Okay.
10:30 now, so you have an idea.
Mm-hmm. Ah, okay.
If you would want.
Mm-hmm. The old Ford. And all of the little tiny engines I could. Oh, there. Thank you, little boy. A flying cloud. Oh, old Ferguson. Before we got the Massey Harris. Before there was Massey Ferguson. That is interesting. I like seeing the history of tractors. That is really, really cool. And I got a really, oh, look at this. We got a little Alice Chalmers riding tractor. I mean, look at this. The riding tractor to mow your lawn technology has not changed much at all. Look at that.
The seat might be a little more comfortable.
The seat might be a little more comfortable. That really, not much has changed. Look at that. Those little Alice Chalmers. That's cool. Potentially. It kind of seems like the paint is pretty similar.
That one said Cub Cadet, in the middle it said International.
So maybe so.
Yeah, I mean, what was that?
Not sure on that.
There's like fewer tractors than last year. Maybe just all squished them all together.
Yeah. And that is a beautiful color on an El Camino.
Ooh, very nice, yeah.
Yeah. I'll go here and look at this anyways. So blackout. Paint been put on a little bit heavy. Definitely need a little bit more surface prep. But other than that, decent. Trying to maintain it, so we'll go with that. But definitely heavy on the paint, which is not a good thing. And the beautiful truck club rolling in here. Woo, being beautiful. Got a Camaro. Got some Fox Body Mustangs as well. This one has some AMC colorations with the flames there, which is pretty cool. And beautiful old Dodge in the patina, well done patina as well. It's been treated. That's one nice looking truck. Very nice. With the white cab on there as well. Look good. Nice Cadillac. And this thing's ready to go for sure, but what is it? Olds. I kind of figured it was, but what kind of Oldsmobile be they? My Oldsmobile knowledge isn't that good. Oldsmobile Cutlass. Nice. Very, very nice. Very, very good. That's good. Oh, and of course, I'm not sure if this one counts as a good show car, but it looks good. So, the WRX. We're still waiting on an STI version, by the way, Subaru. You know, with more power and a lot more aggressive styling, but we'll go with that. Now we got truck row through here for the most part. Beautiful Chevy. Ooh, nice lightening. And we got a Pontiac wagon over there. Old Dodge van. It's Pontiac. It's a Pontiac wagon. And I think it's a Catalina. Probably pronounced that incorrectly, but that's fine. Catalina Safari. Ah, yeah. Okay.
Oh, it's a Pontiac Safari. Oh, it's
yeah, Catalina Safari, or yeah, however you want to pronounce that. That's cool.
That is very cool.
Nice. Paint looks decent too, so very nice job on that. GT.
The model was a Safari?
I believe so, since it's got the wagon on there. I think that's how that works.
So it's a Pontiac Catalina, but it was Safari.
Because of the wagon, yep. Might be incorrect on that, but I believe that is my knowledge. Correct, yeah. And then very beautiful light green metallic. I like light green metallics, those are nice. I like this.
With the little black.
Yep, little black, yep. Yeah, as long as it has the two-tone, it looks really good. And beautiful Chevy wagon to the other side. That is.
I've never seen wagons.
Yeah, well, wagons are coming in real big again. But that is beautiful. Very, very nice. Wow. And also, body moody. Look at that. That's beautiful.
But then pricey to tint that one.
Oh, yeah.
Space and put stuff on top of the dash.
In
front of your cluster there.
Yeah, got a lot of nice space up there to put stuff. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Oh, and we got some very nice Cobras across the way. We got the Firebird and Camaro parade coming down.
And then fell.
See if they're turning. Don't think they are. Got a lot of pretty old trucks on the other side. Beautiful looking trucks. Especially that Ford right there. That's pretty Ford. 3-tone almost. Oh wow. Also got this beautiful thing right here. I like these body styles. Those are cool. Old Bronco two-tone. Got another Bel Air. I say these are really tasteful because you got that little bit of white there to the edge with the beautiful blue going on with the chrome. A little bit of body stuff on the top, which is typical. Nothing on the side though. So just a little bit of your typical top edge issues. But other than that, that is one pretty looking car. Nice. Also lots of trunk space as well, which is nice. Okay, so here we go. So this is a truck that I would want. What? Oh yeah. So, I think you're still running around. Yep. So two-tone white, green. Oh, and also the interior as well. Black with the green. Whatchamacallit?
Insert.
Yep, that. I can't think of the word right now. Fabric cloth interior. Oh, but that's beautiful. That is a beautiful looking truck. Looking at the top here, a little bit of surface area, but pretty typical for that, so not bad. Oh, and the wheel choice as well, excellent, very nice. And also Todd will want to see this at some point. Beautiful. What is this actually? Is this the, it's V, but is it the S, or is it one of the new, yeah, CT5Vs? There we go. Oh, with not as obnoxious brass monkeys as well, so kind of light brass monkey. That's cool. Okay, that's neat. Oh, that is very pretty. Destroyer gray gloss almost with the black gloss. Oh boy, that is, what is it? It's a Fleetmaster. Good night, this thing is beautiful. Wow, that is a beautiful Chevrolet. Okay, good. So if you're Chevrolet Fleetmaster, good night. That car is, that is a beautiful looking car. Wow, that's nice, like that. That is a very, very pretty looking car. Cool.